Alright guys, good afternoon. So today I'm going to be going over basically the conversion that I did on the car for the brakes, the trailing arms, the knuckles. I'm also going to be installing some coilovers, well not coilovers, there's some skunk2 shocks with coilover sleeves on them. So they're right here. And I got a pretty good deal on them. They are used, they're not brand new, but they are for an EF. So the forks that I have on my car, I think it applies to any Civic from 96 to 2000. It might also apply to the 92 to 95 Civics, not 100% sure, and the 94 to 01 Integras. You need the EF or the Integra, what is it, 91 to 93 or 88, whatever it is, the DC Integras. You also need either those forks from the DC Integra or the EF Civics to work with these coilovers. So if you ever do get coilovers like that, it's easy fix. But I'll show you how it looks now. I just raised the front and got my eBay sleeves in there. Alright, so this is the difference between the EF, what is it called? The forks, the shock forks, and I'm thinking also, what's the difference from mine? So, opening on this one is bigger, and on that one, let me try to get both of them up here at the same time. I don't know if you can tell. The one has a bigger hole than the other. That's a big difference. If you were to try to put this on with that EF shock with the EF strut and coilover assembly there, it's not gonna fit. There's gonna be a space. So this should eliminate that, and it should bolt up right to your OEM, to your factory lower control arm there, and shouldn't have an issue. Okay. Alright, so I just finished with shock coilover sleeve install. And there it is. This will work perfectly. Actually, since it's up now, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I did the install last time. So when I installed this knuckle, whole knuckle from here down there, you guys know what the knuckle is. Okay, I went ahead and replaced the upper upper control arm right here, and I replaced this lower tie rod here. I don't know if you can see that, but I replaced this lower bushing right here, control arm bushing, whatever. When I did that, I didn't think about it. I should have probably gone with an adjustable one. A little bit more expensive, a lot more expensive. If you get a nice one, if you get eBay one, fairly cheap. But I can do that next time, because I don't want to get something too cheap. Like most of us know, those eBay coilovers are not that great. And you can tell the difference on these. The actual coil for this is actually a little bit longer than the eBay ones. The whole thing, the whole setup is a lot nicer. So it is a skunk2 street or something like that, whatever it is. But we'll see how they ride. Obviously, I replaced I just painted the calipers. I replaced the rotors, so they're new rotors, and I can already see the rust on there. But that's just the rotors. I mean, I guess because they're not the best rotors out there. I got them from Rock Auto. Obviously, new brake line from the Integra that I replaced. Okay, so I got some new lower control arms, but let me see if focuses. But they were from Del Sol, and I didn't account for that, or it was an older Del Sol. And this right here, this bushing didn't fit in there unless I trimmed it, and they didn't. I'm not getting it right there. But I didn't want to trim it, so I just reuse my lower control arm here, and I'm probably gonna end up replacing the bushings unless I get a different lower control arm for this type of gear, something like a polyurethane, bushings. I did end up replacing this because I wanted. Let's see, like, where's it at? I wanted the hole here for. I wanted the hole there for the lower the sway bar that I'm put in. I did get this bracket that I'm supposed to get. This bracket that I'm supposed to get here, so it bolts up to this hole here. I don't know if maybe I could use that one, but it bolts up to this. There's a new bushing in there as well that I'm gonna put in, or when I do that. So I'm not gonna do that this video. I ordered the bushings already, but I haven't gotten them yet, so I'll be doing that soon. So it's just off Acura Integra. I mean, nothing too special there, but polyurethane bushings. That's pretty much it. I think that's all I did. So when I did it, I just took off the bolts. When I did this open control arm, I took off the bolts, took that out, and it came out as one piece. So I'll show you guys real quick. Actually, still got all that stuff here. So see, all in one piece. It's all there, but I mean, there's a lot of play in it. Well, there wasn't good anymore, but trailing arms, everything's done. When I'm done replacing the brake master cylinder, I'll show you the back. And on the e-brake cable, you have to get the one from the sedan from the Integra. So from Integra sedan, you have to get, if you're doing a sedan swap, you have to get the one from the sedan, because now you're about an inch or two short, which can cause problems, but not a big deal. Junkyards are stockpiled with them. Alright, so real quick, got the rear trailing arm in. Got to get a camber kit up there, and then for the bushing here, we want the energy bushing. I don't know if you'll be able to see that right there. Energy bushing up front, right there, and then on the compensator arm, which adjusts your. I don't know if you can. I'm not gonna see. I don't know if you're able to see that, but it adjusts your toe. I put some propane bushings on there, and that's pretty much it. I mean, I bled the brakes. Again, e-brake, you have to use sedan Integra e-brake line. But other than that, everything's good. And the ARP studs that I put on. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright guys, so remember to like, subscribe, comment, and share the video. Alright, so see you guys on the next one.